Another pattern of inheritance that does not follow Mendel's principles is codominance. Welcome back to Science 9. In this video, we are going to discuss the definition, examples, and some problem solving of codominance. Before discussing codominance, let's have a review. In Mendel's law, complete dominance, only one allele in the genotype is seen in the phenotype, which is the dominant one. Example, if we have a red rose crossed with a white rose, all the offspring will be big R, small r. Since R is dominant over small r, then they will be all red. But not all traits follow Mendel's law. We have already discussed incomplete dominance, remember? What is it again? It's a mixture or blending of the alleles in the genotype or phenotype. Example, we have here a red flower crossed with a small flower. The result, all the offsprings are big R, small r, which shows a phenotype of pink, which is the blending of red and white. What is codominance? It's the combination of the word co plus dominance. Co means together, pareho, like co-teacher, parehong teacher, co-worker, katrabaho. So, it simply means na pareho silang dominant. Wala ditong recessive. Both alleles are completely expressed. Unlike in incomplete dominance, the dominant trait is partially expressed. So, nagbe-blend. There is a mixing in the phenotype. Whereas in codominance, pareho silang na-express. Kasi pareho silang dominant. Parehong capital letter. But since capital letter na pareho, hindi pwedeng gamitin natin yung parehong letter. That's why in here, we're going now to use another letter of allele. Capital letter allele. So, it simply means two alleles are equally dominant. Therefore, they both show on the phenotype. Example, in chicken. We have here a white chicken, a black chicken. The phenotype for white chicken is capital W, capital W. For black is capital B, capital B. Bakit W and B? Well, it's easier kasi yun yung first letter ng white, B naman is the first letter for black. Now, for the result of the third phenotype, if it is heterozygous, you have big B, big W, which is now a speckled. Nakikita nyo na may black at meron din siyang white. Hindi siya nag-blend. Unlike in incomplete dominance, kung incomplete dominance sana ito, then the chicken would have gray. There is a blending. But in here, it's not. Parehong na-express yung white at saka black. And take note on how they, in the writing of genotype, ang alleles natin, big W and big B. Now, if you're going to combine them, it has to be big B, big W, not big W, big B. Why? We have to follow yung alphabetical order. Okay, other examples of codominance. In cattle, as you can see, you have the red and white. The resulting offspring is a rowan cattle. Next, in fish, you have the red and blue. It results now to red with patches of blue offspring. Another in birds, you have blue and white. The resulting offspring, blue and white. Also in this bird, you have white and the colored in terms of feather color. Examples of codominance in plants. We have here a red flower and a white flower. The resulting offspring is red and white flower. A yellow and purple combination. Orange and white. We have here an orchid, flower, white and purple, red and white rose, and a red and white 4 o'clock. A very good example of codominance in humans is the blood type AB. If the father has a homozygous blood type A and the mother has a homozygous blood type B, the blood type of the children or the child will be blood type AB. In your module, on page 12, what's new? Problem, a red bull, which is a male cattle, CR mated with a white female cow, CW. Instead of using this, you can actually just use big R and big W as our alleles. You can use CW, or big R, big R, big W. Anyway, kahit ano dyan, pwede. But for me, I would prefer the simpler one. So we will be using big R, big W in solving this. A red bull, which is a male cattle, mated with a white female cow. Predict the possible offspring by filling up the Punnett square. For the alleles, in the problem, big R is the allele for red, big W is the allele for white. Genotype big R is the phenotype red. Genotype big W is the phenotype white. Combination of R and W, big R, big W, it's now the Rowan phenotype, or red and white phenotype. Going back to the problem, in cattles, the male cattle is called bull. The female cattle is called cow. And the children, they are called calves. So we're going to cross a red bull, which is the male, and a white cow, which is the female. So red bull, the genotypes are big R, white cow, big W. So let us fill up our Punnett square. Starting with the male, big R for red. For the female, big W, white. Cross together, you have RW. Again, bakit hindi pwedeng WR? Kasi nga, we're going to follow the alphabetical order. R comes first before W. Kaya dapat, big R, big W. As you can see in the picture, ano yung big R, big W? It's a Rowan cattle. Ano yung Rowan? It's a mixture of red and white because both are dominant. In your module, on page 14, what's more? Here's another problem. In a certain fish, blue scales, FB, and red scales, FR, are codominant. Again, in here, we can actually change the alleles, make it simpler. Blue scales, big B, and red scales, big R. You can still use FB, FR, or big B, big R. Kung ano yung mas, which one is easier for you, it's okay. But I would prefer the simpler one, which is the big B, big R. Ito yung gagamitin natin pag-solve in the next. A patchwork fish was crossed with a fish that has blue scales. A Punnett square is given below with the genotypes of the offspring. Okay, let us solve this problem. Again, the alleles, we have big R for red, big B for blue. Genotypes big R for red. Genotypes big B for phenotype blue. Genotype big B, big R for phenotype patchwork. Pag sinabing patchwork, it's a combination of red and blue. So going back to the problem, i-cross down natin yung patchwork scaled fish with a blue scaled fish. So let's assume that blue scaled fish is the male and patchwork scaled fish for the female. Patchwork is big B, big R. Blue, big B, big B. So again, we're going now to use our Punnett square. So let us start with the male. Male is big B, big B. Female, big B, big R. Let's cross. So you have B, 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 R, B, R. Again, bakit hindi pwedeng RB? Kasi nga, the law here or the rule here, we have to follow yung alphabetical order. B comes first before R. So, nakikita nyo pa lang sa offspring, it's 50-50%. 50% na blue, 50% na yung combination, which is patchwork. So, we are done here. Hope to see you in the next